Hello everyone and welcome to my tutorial. So in this tutorial I'll be teaching you CSS in 5 minutes, but I won't cover everything that is related to CSS, but I'll try to teach you what it is and how to use it in your websites or web applications. So without wasting any of your time, let's get started. I'll start the timer here. So there we go. So CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. So it is a styling language that is used or it is understood by browsers, and it is used to align content, color content, size content inside the browser. So we'll start. Let me show you an example here. So we have a simple HTML page here. So as you can see, there's no CSS here, so everything just looks out of alignment. So if we add CSS to this file or this page, it will look something like this. So as you can see, this home, about, contact, and this thing here, so they are aligned in a certain way here using CSS. We also have a red line here. This is CSS. We also have a button here. When we put our mouse on top of it, we get this effect, this shadow-like effect on top of it. So that's CSS as well. Everything here is CSS, as you can see the styling here. So I'll just show you the basics now. So we have a simple HTML page here without the CSS. So we'll create the CSS file. As you can see, we've linked our CSS file to this HTML. So we'll just create the CSS file. So we'll call it style.css, and we are calling it style.css because we are linking it here, and we said its name will be style. So the extension for CSS file is .css. So we just say span for those spans. So say span, then we'll add a background color so that we can see them. So we add this aqua color like thing. So then we'll go back to the browser, then we'll go to the HTML page. Now it looks like that. That's the background of each and every span there. Then we'll also add some padding, which is the distance between the content inside the box. So we'll add 40 pixels padding. So now it will look like something like that. Let me zoom out. So we'll also add some spaces between these letters. So we'll say we use a property called margin that will say 20 pixels away. So now there will be 20 pixels away from each other, as you can see. So now we'll also add a shadow. So we'll add a box shadow, 2 pixels, 3 pixels, then we say 36 pixels, RGBA 000.7. So a shadow will be added there. As you can see, we get some shadow there. So we can also add the font size to those letters inside. So font size will be 3em. So now they'll be bigger. So we can also change the font family. So we'll change the font family of those letters. So font family will be sans serif. So now the font family will be changed. They will look like that. So we can also we'll add a border outside. So we just say border. Then we'll add 10 pixels, solid blue. So we add a blue border so that you can see. I'll explain. So now the border is anything outside of this box. So as you can see, we get this blue color outside of these boxes. So that's CSS. So thank you guys for watching, and if you want me to make a full video on CSS, so just comment down below, then I'll make a full tutorial on CSS. So thank you for watching, guys. Bye.